Your feet are one of the most important parts of your body, and they go through a lot throughout the day. So why not give them the care they deserve? Introducing E-Tech City's Shiatsu Foot Massager. Just kick off your shoes and slide your feet into the foot massager. Lean down and choose from 3 different massage modes to find the perfect massage for your weary feet. You can also choose between 3 different intensity levels. Choose from low, medium, and high air pressure levels to find the right balance for a relaxing massage. It also features a heating function that helps your muscles loosen up and relax. You can also control the foot massager directly from your smartphone. That way, you don't have to bend down every time you want to change a setting. When you're done, you can save all your favorite settings in the VSync app. Just tap the heart icon at the top right to save your current settings, and access them by tapping the Favorites tab. You can also set a timer so your foot massager automatically turns off after 15, 20, or 25 minutes. No matter what your feet go through, you can find sweet relief by using E-Tech City's Shiatsu Foot Massager.
Take your outdoor adventures to the next level with our Survivor Filter Pro LE. Our sturdy design is very durable and easy to use for anyone who loves the great outdoors, traveling, or emergency preparedness. Upgrades we've made for the Survivor Filter Pro LE include a 100,000-liter Ultra Filter pre-filter, larger hoses, a convenient new hose clip, and a zippered carrying case. Our system has 3 levels of filtration, which include the 0.1 micron Ultra Filter pre-filter. It blocks out large debris and acts like a barrier to help remove harmful bacteria and protozoa that are larger than 0.1 microns. The Ultra Filter pre-filter can be easily cleaned and backwashed after every trip, up to 100,000 liters. By utilizing our cleanable pre-filter system, the life of the internal filters are greatly extended. Next is the carbon filter. This level of protection is designed to improve taste and help reduce heavy metals, chemicals, and pollutants. Finally, water passes through the 0.01 micron internal ultrafilter, which is designed to help remove the remaining contaminants that make it through the first 2 levels. Once the water has passed through the 3-stage system, independent tests have shown a filtration of 99.9% of virus, bacteria, and staph, and a significant reduction of heavy metals, surpassing EPA standards for portable water filters. Take on the outdoors with Survivor Filter.
When the sun goes down, good lighting can make all the difference. This is the Sightlight Mini, a compact and instant way to bring fun and functional lighting to your next outdoor adventure. Featuring 150 lumens across a string of 10 feet, the Sightlight Mini sets up quickly for effective ambient light at your site. Power it via any USB source or from a BioLight lantern for added dimming functionality. The Mini packs in a stack for cord control and easy portability. Part of the Sightlight family, you can mix and match, creating a custom light setup to fit your site. Discover what simple string lighting can bring to your next night under the stars with the Sightlight Mini, part of the BioLight NanoGrid.
Jeff looks as dismal as his house does. He's worked hard all day, and now he's arrived home to darkness, silence, and sweltering heat. Jeff would love to return to a home bathed in welcoming light with his favorite TV show on and the temperature at the perfect level. But he just can't afford to replace all his switches and appliances to make his smart home dream come true. Hey Jeff, what if I told you there was a way to make your house smart without spending a ton of money or changing a single switch or appliance? Let me introduce you to the SwitchBot Hub Plus. It's a smart gateway with a remote infrared controller that will make all your appliances smart, including your fan, TV, and air conditioner. The Hub Plus has smart learning, so you can just press on your existing remote, and it will identify the appliance and fetch the command scheme. Over 4,000 brands work automatically with the Hub Plus, but it can learn and replicate any infrared signal. And Hub Plus can even control manual switches through our SwitchBots. Hub Plus also works with Alexa, Google, and IFTTT. Just think, all your home appliances will be smart. And you'll only need one remote, Jeff. SwitchBot Hub Plus, the simple, affordable way to switch to a smart home.
CyberClean, the innovative high-tech cleaning compound for your home and office. It's versatile, safe, and easy to use. Just press on, don't rub, remove, and the dirt is gone. CyberClean reaches into even the tightest gaps and absorbs dust and dirt particles without residue. It disinfects without releasing moisture and ensures practical hygiene. With CyberClean, you can clean your telephone and many other highly textured surfaces. CyberClean is based on natural ingredients, can be used multiple times, and has a fresh lime aroma. Electronic devices, cameras, bags, and much more can be cleaned perfectly and cared for with CyberClean. CyberClean, the original high-tech cleaning compound for hygiene and well-being.
Your back is clean?
That's wow.
All right, I'm going to give it to you.
I would buy this over a back scratcher any day. Like, I'm gonna shave my back every single day with something like this, you know? Like, it's the coolest product.
You got it, hairy back? Take care of it. Back blades.
You know, I thought I would need like a shave cream or a gel, but this is a nice, easy glide.
If you came home and you saw your husband doing this, would that be okay?
Yeah, absolutely.
I feel amazing. Like, I just want to go in the ocean and just feel like the water all over my body now. Like, you know, like
I don't have to ask a friend or anything. I don't have to really use a mirror.
So much better. Wow.
Your back is clean? It's very clean. What are you feeling?
I can feel the wind.
You can feel the wind?
Yeah.